Hi, I'm Sue with GoTo FSBO. Today I'm going to show you how to complete step 4, the listing agreement in your account. Now that you're signed into your account, you'll see a screen like this. You may need to click to expand so you can see all the steps. Today we're going to be working on step 4, so you just want to come down here to step 4 and hit go. On this screen, you'll decide which MLS your home should be in, and then click on the green tab to access the correct MLS paperwork. If you're unsure, we have a list above broken down by city, so you can select the right one. Be sure you choose the correct paperwork so you don't have to do it again. Once you've selected the correct paperwork for your local MLS, you will need to determine if there is one owner on the deed or two owners. Both owners will be required to sign the paperwork. If there are two owners on the deed, you will have to have two separate email addresses to complete this step. Owner 1 will complete the entire form, sign and date it, and then it'll be emailed over to owner 2. Once everyone has signed off on the paperwork, copies will be emailed to both parties. Please take your time filling out step 4. You need to make sure that it's 100% accurate. Now let's go over the DocuSign form. Once you've accessed the DocuSign form, you want to be sure that you fill in your full legal name. You also want to fill in your email address for yourself if there's one owner, and if there's two owners, remember we need two separate email addresses. You must be using a computer or laptop to complete the DocuSign form. It does not work well with cell phones or tablets. If the property is owned by a corporation, you'll still be signing with your legal name and title on all signature lines. Where it states owner on deed at the top of the page, you will put in the corporation name. Once you begin the DocuSign form, it must be completed in one sitting. Your other option will be clicking on Finish Later, and it will be emailed to owner 1 with a code in the body of the email so you can come back and finish later. If you click off the DocuSign form, you will not be able to access it again. Please take your time, give us correct answers. We cannot resend it to you so you can go back and fix things. The yellow button to the left of the page will take you to the next line that needs to be signed or initialed. As you're filling out the form, you will see that there's help boxes along the way. These help boxes can disappear if you click on this little sheet of paper in the left-hand corner. If you get stuck, you can always bring it back again. Your MLS start date will be the date that you wish your listing to begin. We need 48 hours to get you keyed into the system, unless you pay the rush fee. Depending on which package you signed up for, your listing agreement is good for either 6 months or 1 year. Once you have finished the form completely, initialed and signed all the spots, you can then go to the top or the bottom and click Finish. You can download it and save it to your desktop. And if you have a second owner, it's now being emailed to them to sign and initial as well. You have now completed step 4. Please log back into your account so you can start on step 5, the data sheets.